Lemuel Francis Abbott was born on 1760 or 61, died December 5, 1803. He was an English portrait painter, famous for his painting of Horatio Nelson, 1st Viscount Nelson, and for those of other naval officers and literary figures of the 18th century. Abbott painted portraits of many figures of the day. His 1797 portrait of Horatio Nelson was commenced during a period where both men were living in the same lodgings in London's Bond Street. His portrait of Henry Callender, Captain General of the Royal Blackheath Golf Club, is one of the earliest portrayals of the game of golf. Reproductions hang in golf clubs the world over. It was sold at Bonhams in London on December 9, 2015.